Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 4147 Gallatin. Here we are in the basement. This stack catches half the building, and there's another section of the building over there. I've ran in the past, I've had to run from the roof to get that part of the line because it comes through the basement here, ties in with this floor drain, and goes out to the building. And I've recommended a cleanout to be installed in the floor in the past. So that way, in the future, when that half of the building backs up, they can run a big cutter through there and clean it out properly. Because from the roof, we're only able to run a small cutter. If you put a floor clean out, we'll be able to run a bigger cutter. But they say it keeps backing up. Been out here 3 times already, and it keeps backing up. So I'm going to inspect it again and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. So here we are at the bottom of the sweep. As you see, this line goes back towards that floor drain. And I believe it's going to catch the other half of the building. We're going to keep running in here. We'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera pushed out here. Either in the main or this might be another building tying in with it and going up. I believe that's going to be the main. Yeah. Something else tying in over there, yeah. So we're going to pull back, show you what it looks like. So we're out about 8 feet. I am running water through the standpipe down here. Got a turn there, line's turning. Right here we got a line tying in the side here, near the top. I don't think it's a riser pipe. I went and located it outside. I couldn't find any clean out. So I don't know if it's a riser pipe or not. I don't think it is. That could be the building next door cutting in. They could be tied together. Alright, here we are at the transition. This is one that comes from 4-inch cast iron and a 6-inch plate pipe outside the building here. And I got water running through this washer standpipe here. That's where you're seeing that from. That's what that is. Got a sweep right there. Sweeping out, like I said, I think second half of this line's tying in over there. And I'm going to recommend a floor clean out install still. So they cut off this other half. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the lady from the other side of the building running her water now. As you see, the sewer's backing up on this side going towards this floor drain. That's why I said in the past they need to put a a clean out on the floor down here with a T, so they can clean out that section line properly with a big cutter. Like I said, we're only able to run a small cutter from the roof to clean out that section line. It's either that or run from the floor drain, and you can't even get a decent sized cable down that. So as you see, all the cast iron scaling making all this tissue hang up, and it's pushing out eventually, but then it backs up, and then we come and cable it, and then it piles back up again. So definitely going to recommend a clean out installed down on this floor, by this floor drain. Put a T in there so they can run both ways. And yep, pull it out of the stack here. So here's that stack, and the floor drain's back here, and I think this line's coming through here, and we just can't get to that section line. There needs to be a floor clean out installed. So alrighty, thank you.